Hello guys and welcome back to Maxi channel. Here you can find all the craziest road moments, and today's episode won't like any for sure. If you like my work, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with the latest content. With that being said, we can now jump right into this episode. It all started to go from bad to worse when the biker passed the driver. He didn't like it, and a lot of crazy things happened from there on. Check it out.
Why? 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 What? I can't hear you, bro. Hey! What, dude? Come talk to me. Come talk to me, dude. What? 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 What is your problem? What is your problem? Oh, I wish this would say something.
I'm the definition of bully, a poor sport. However you want it, we can do it on your court. My soul.
What? Oh, he got a. Look at him. He's got a. Wow. Hey, look, it's all on camera. Look, it's all on camera, dude. You that scared of me? Really? You're gonna start shooting and pull out a. Just tell me why you flipped me the bird. Just tell me. Look at him. Ooh, you're a tough badass. Oh, you're gonna point it at me? Hold on, I'm gonna get your plate number. I'm getting your plate number. I already got it, but I'll get it again just to make sure. BU92720. All right, got you, bro. Got you, homie.
Careless merger pulled out in front of the biker without even attempting to look, and on top of that, he even flipped the biker off.
She wasn't even looking! Oh my god, dude. Ooh! Oh, it's an old ass lady in there. Hey, dude, bro. Hey, you lucky you got an old ass lady in that car. I'll beat your ass, you stupid piece of. You better run that light, boy.
I'm the ultimate 16 ball machine, the God of War, the M16, the high chief.
A guy that was unloading the truck said something to the biker. I suppose he was not happy that the biker recorded him, and when the biker turned around to talk, this happened.
Estavam a falar para mim? Eu não ouvi. Estou-te a perguntar se estavam a falar para mim. Estou-te a perguntar se estavam a falar para mim. Estou-te a perguntar se estavam a falar. Não, estou-vos a perguntar se.
These bikers were riding around the forest, but apparently it was someone's private property, and landowners didn't appreciate bikers being there at all. Check out this crazy encounter.
C'était privé, désolé, on est nouveau. Non mais je sais pas, tout à l'heure on tournait, il y avait rien. Bah oui, mais là on a regardé aussi, il y avait personne. On s'est dit que c'était bien. Oui, mais on l'avait pas vu. On l'avait pas vu quand on est venu là-bas.
Mais t'as rien à faire ici là.
Oui, mais on savait pas.
Mais t'as pas à savoir, tu fais attention, non? Tu tournes pas comme ça n'importe quoi. Vous croyez que venez où là?
Non mais on savait pas que c'était une maison ici. On n'avait pas vu en arrivant, on voyait rien.
Allez, dégage.
De quoi?
Venez d'où?
Je sais pas, je suis pas d'ici. moi.
Ouais, c'est ça. Et quand on n'est pas d'ici, on fait attention à ce qu'on fait chez les gens.
Mais c'est pour ça, on a vu personne
oui,
là.
oui. C'est pas parce que tu vois.
Os mortos estão. Sim, mătii să-ți fudă căcatul dracu.
Oh fuck. Oh, I almost fell.
These bikers were riding through a forest, and just when they got out in the open, a Karen show started. It was apparently a private property, and this Karen came in yelling at these bikers for riding there, and she even threatened to mace them.
Oh no, we'll leave. We're not trying to mean any harm.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Here, I'll please be what?
No, we're just.
Or you can be my little friend. I mean,
No, we're just trying. We'll leave.
Property. I mean, you want to see how this works?
We're sorry. We're just trying to leave.
5 million. I mean, you want to see how it works?
Hey, man.
I see anybody on my private property.
I'm sorry.
There's
We're
enough
sorry.
for you people stealing cars, scratching cars, stealing houses. There's too many deaths
Yeah,
around
we'll leave.
here.
I'm
You
so.
should not be on private property.
We didn't think these woods were your
It doesn't
property.
matter. This is private property. How do I know you're not trying to steal
Yeah,
my cars?
we're leaving. We'll leave.
How do I know you're not trying to steal anything from my house?
No, we're just trying to find somewhere to ride. Yeah.
That means this land belongs to people.
Next time I see you guys, I'm gonna find it as a
No.
threat and I'm gonna make
We won't come back. I promise.
This is not a gun. This is
I'm
not
sorry.
a weapon. This is mace.
We're sorry.
I have kids in that house.
We're
How
sorry.
do I know you're not here to rob us? How do I even know you're not here to rob my car?
We're not trying to mean any
How
harm.
do I know that?
I don't know. I'm
You said
sorry.
so?
I'm sorry. We'll leave. Yo, Sam. We're sorry, man. We'll leave.
Luckily, her husband was there to calm her down. Who knows how this would end up if she was alone with the bikers there. Props to the guy for keeping it cool.
And if you notice,
I'm so sorry.
problems is because you got a lot of little idiots that come in here. They want to
Yeah.
throw little parties. They got trash. They want to do shit. That's all I'm just saying,
Yeah,
man.
we're so sorry.
Other places out there. I mean, I think further down the road you have like trail paths over there, like at the state park. You gotta go look for them. But
I'm so sorry.
these are private properties all the way down here and everything like that. All right.
All right, we'll leave. I'm sorry,
All
man.
right, man. Like I said, look, you just scared my wife. Because
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Ain't no 7-Eleven, and I mean,
Yeah, we just want to be as nice as possible.
It's private for a reason.
Yeah, we just want to be as nice as possible. You don't mean any harm.
We don't mean any harm. We
So-
got caught in the forest coming the wrong way, and we couldn't turn around because of the hill, so we were just trying to find a way down and we were
All right, man.
We'll leave.
Like I said, be safe. Just be careful next time, man.
Yeah,
All right.
I'm sorry, man. Yeah, thanks. Go.
Driver tried to switch over to biker's lane, but no indicating and no mirror checking beforehand. The biker's loud exhaust prevented this reckless driver from doing so, and, well, some random people had to deal with his exhaust as well. He said he couldn't see the lights. Do you guys believe him?
What are you doing?
you drunk? You just went head on to me in my lane.
There's no line really back there. I couldn't see.
Do what?
I said I couldn't hardly see the line.
You can't see?
I couldn't hardly see those lines back here, man.
Dude, I've got diminished eyesight. You need to have your eyes checked, homie.
Now we're at Karen's in cars. This careless Karen almost hit the biker as she passed around him. The biker didn't like that, so he followed her, and on the next traffic lights, they had a rather friendly conversation. Watch. The biker barely contained himself in this situation, and rightly so. His life was endangered simply because someone didn't want to pay attention while driving.
Don't pass by me like that. Don't pass by me like that. Go around. Around next time. Call him. Don't pass me in the same lane. Don't come by me in the same lane. No, go around.
And with this clip, we reach the end of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and perhaps learning a thing or two from the mistakes we showed you in this episode. Patience is a virtue which many drivers and riders lack nowadays, and that's why we have so many crazy situations out on the roads. If you're watching these clips, we strongly urge you to be more patient, since a short fuse never contributed to anything positive. Until the next episode, drive safe, ride safe, and take care.